Namaste. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn tones, how to give shading, how to do hitching, etc. Okay, so let's start. So material required is eraser, sharpener, and 2B pencil, HB pencil, 4B pencil if you have. If you don't have, just ordinary pencil, any pencil. So first thing I will start, when we write, this is our writing position. Okay, we are holding the pencil this way and this is our writing position. Then when we can do under palm position. In under palm position, this thing remain like this. We hold it like this. And then we do the shading like this. This is called the under palm position. For sketching, writing position is better, in my opinion. This is better for me. Okay, for different people have different like dislike or way of doing. Now the next thing comes, how do we vary pressure on the pencil? So first one is very light tone. I will teach you all this. Second one is light tone. Third, middle tone. Fourth, dark tone. Fifth, very dark tone. Okay, so what is very light tone? When we are doing like this is very light tone and our hand movement is very restricted. This is very light tone. Then comes the light tone. So in light tone, see, movement of the hand will be only this way. Very less movement. I'm not drawing a line, I'm doing a shading. This is light tone. Then comes the middle tone. Middle tone is, see, the color is same throughout, but you cannot feel the lines. It's totally filled. No space is left. This is middle tone. Now comes the dark tone. You can use one pencil only and you can do everything. Increase the pressure in your hand. For light tone and very light tone, our hand pressure was very less. This is dark tone. Then comes the very dark tone. Next thing comes varying the grade of the pencil. So suppose this is 2H. So we will draw the lines. This is by 2H. I'll write here first. You may not have all these pencils today. Don't worry. With same pencil, you change the pressure and you can make it. Then HB. HB lines will be little darker. Then 2B. You can take strokes down to up to down. That's your wish. Then 4B. 6B. So different pencils will give us different shapes. Now, after varying the grade of the pencil, next thing we learn repetition and overworking. This is the term used in art. In this technique, you can create a variety of texture shapes by repeating forcefully drawn short lines. So what do we mean by this? I'm using this ordinary HB pencil. It is HB 2 number and this is called hatching. Hatching means we are drawing the lines. We can draw very close lines, lower to up, upper to down. It's our wish which direction we are taking. So this is lighter ones. Then we can make them little darker or more darker. That's up to us. How much dark we want to show. Lines we will move in one direction. You can do sideways also, but follow one method. Then this is from graduation from light to dark. So this side, as you can see, is very light. Slowly I will increase the pressure, keep on increasing the pressure, and this is very dark. So I'm going to write that graduation from light to dark tone. So can you understand three things? Less pressure, more pressure, less to high pressure. Okay, this is graduation from lighter to darker one. Then next thing which we are going to do, step 1, cross hatching. Just draw the lines here. Step 2, we have drawn lines this way, and now we are going to draw this way. This is cross hatching. This is step number 3. Step number 4. Step number 5. Light to dark. Slowly we are moving towards the darker side. We'll make the same thing very dark. So this is lighter cross hatching to darker cross hatching. Now what is the scribbling? Scribbling is first like this. Scribbling with a light end gives a light shade. That is first thing. Then next thing comes, we will take same pencil, no difference in pencil, but this time we are going to apply more pressure. So a little more pressure and overworking gives a medium tone. And third step, we will scribble light to dark by increasing the pressure. So this is graduation achieved by increasing the pressure. Now next thing comes the smudging. Step 1, step 2. Suppose we took any pencil. It can be any pencil. Okay. I take my finger and move it. Sometimes we use tissue also. I prefer to use tissue because number 1, our finger doesn't get oil. Number 2, if our finger is clean and we will touch the paper again, then paper will not become dirty. This is smudging. I'll show you once again with this pencil. Whenever we are doing shading, we will make sure that no white space is seen. Now, I'll take the tissue. It takes hours, but see, every time I'm taking my finger here and bringing it back again. It's one side stroke. Like this can be seen very nicely. Suppose if I have drawn a mountain, and in the mountain I have done the shading. This side is dark. I'm taking pressure this side more. I'm applying more pressure here, and other side pressure is less. This is the scene how I have given the shading, and always give a clean outline. Now same thing we are doing here, and we will see the difference after smudging. So in smudging, same thing, we will do the same thing. Take your hand from one end to other end. Less pressure, very less pressure. Now we'll take the tissue, we'll put it in the finger like this, and we will smudge it. So we can make out the difference. This is looking natural from darker to lighter, and this is looking that we have done with pencil. So that is the smudging. So see, you can avoid making bad drawing by working downwards from the top of the page. It means start working from the top of the page to the down. You know, the advantage is that when we work from down to up, our hand will get some pencil. See, like my finger got, and if I will touch it here, you can see the mark. See, my finger has left a mark here. So always make it a habit to bring from up to down. That's what advice. Second thing is that when you are doing, keep a piece of paper below your hand like this, and then you are doing something here. So your hand will not make this part dirty. Okay. And next point, Do it very slowly when you are shading your picture. It will result, if you will do in a hurry, then it will be an untidy picture. So do it patiently and do it part by part. It's better to be neat than finish it in a hurry. And speed is not required. Neatness is required. Perfection is required. Then don't feel bad if you are not happy with the shading. Doesn't matter. Nobody gets it in the beginning. It takes years and years to get the perfect shading. So don't worry about this. And when you finish your drawing, then compare it with the original piece and see where are the mistakes. Okay, so we are the best judge. When we will see our mistakes, then only we can improve it. So today you have some homework. What is the homework for today? We'll draw the blocks of any size. Let's say I'm drawing 1 inch each. In this, you will practice light tone. In next one, you will practice medium tone. And then in third one, you will practice dark tone. Okay, so these 3 blocks you have to make first. I'm making here. Then we will draw a bigger one in which we will take from light to dark. All 3. So I'm going to show you here. This is light tone. Same pencil, any pencil you use. Then this is medium. More pressure, children. Smaller the strokes, better will be your shading. Very, very small strokes are required. Make sure there's no white space visible. Okay, this is medium tone. Then same pencil here. Now it is more pressure. But if you see, my hand is moving very close. And last one which we will do, we'll start with very light. See, it is so slow. Now darker. So this effect is obtained by increasing the pressure. I hope you liked the session. Thank you for watching Vandana's Art. Kindly like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. Thank you. Namaste.